New military conflicts are unfolding fast, but is the U.S. ready to supply what its troops need? Domestic production gaps could threaten national security right now. Recent military conflicts have spotlighted serious gaps in America's ability to produce key defense materials domestically. The Alliance for American Manufacturing reports that shortages in everything from electronic components to steel threaten the timely supply of military equipment. These shortages mean the U.S. may struggle to maintain readiness or quickly scale up production in crises, depending heavily on foreign suppliers for critical parts. This reliance raises vulnerabilities at a time when rapid response is crucial. The increased frequency of military engagements has revealed how dependent the U.S. military is on overseas manufacturing, especially in allied and non-allied countries. This dependence risks delays in equipment delivery and potential supply cutoffs during geopolitical tensions. The Alliance for American Manufacturing emphasizes that without bolstering domestic production capacity, the nation's defense posture could be compromised, making it harder to respond swiftly and effectively to emerging threats. Key industries like steel production, advanced electronics, and specialty materials manufacturing face challenges in scaling up to meet defense needs. The Alliance for American Manufacturing points out that many plants have closed or moved overseas over past decades, eroding the industrial base. This shrinkage limits the military's ability to procure critical components quickly and at scale. Rebuilding these sectors is essential to ensure reliable supply chains for future conflicts. In response to these concerns, initiatives are underway to revitalize American manufacturing. The Alliance for American Manufacturing advocates for increased government investment and policy incentives to boost production capacity at home. This includes funding for modernized factories, workforce training, and incentives to keep production within U.S. borders. Strengthening domestic manufacturing is viewed as a critical step to reduce vulnerability and ensure the military can meet equipment demands swiftly. These domestic production challenges are not just abstract defense issues. They have real consequences for national security, job creation, and economic stability. A weakened defense supply chain could delay military responses that protect American lives. Meanwhile, revitalizing manufacturing could mean more stable jobs and stronger communities. Understanding these issues helps you appreciate why supporting domestic industry matters for your safety and economic future. As new conflicts arise, America's ability to produce defense materials at home is more critical than ever. These production gaps could slow military readiness and affect your safety. Staying informed means understanding the stakes and supporting efforts to rebuild domestic manufacturing. For more updates on this urgent issue, subscribe to Daily Q&A now.